Hi guys, we're finally back with a toothbrush review after a really long time. I guess after almost a year. Yeah, that's a pretty long time. Anyways, since the last few months, the Caresmith Spark Z or Caresmith Spark Z as I prefer to call it had caught my attention and I finally managed to purchase it a couple of months back. I've used it exclusively since then and this is my review on it. The box is simple yet catchy. The boxes are color coded with the color of the toothbrush inside. It's got all the features marketed on the sides and the back of the box. In the box, you have the toothbrush handle along with the 3 brush heads with their covers, one USB-C cable. At first glance, you won't find the manual, but a little bit of digging inside will certainly help you. You get a comprehensive manual, a warranty card and a barcode which you can scan later to get extra brush heads. Pretty neat. The moment you pick up the brush, you notice how light it is. The brush head has a shiny finish and is equipped with soft DuPont bristles which has this wavy design to it. It's sort of a fingerprint magnet which can be easily scratched. The body has this matte finish which has a power on mode button which is quite tactile. The middle part houses the 5 modes and the battery indicator too. And here you have the Caresmith branding at the lower part of the brush. At the bottom, we also get the USB-C port which is open but has not caused any issues yet. At the back, you'll find a flat edge to lay down the brush on a flat surface, which is a nice little touch. Overall, it's quite comfortable to hold. It's simple, functional, and I quite like it. Moving ahead with its features, the Caresmith Spark Z has nailed most of the basics. It produces 35,000 vibrations per minute, which is on par with the competition. The brush also has a 2-minute auto shut timer and a 30-second interval timer. It's got 5 different modes. There's soft mode for cleaning, normal mode for everyday cleaning, deep clean mode for plaque removal, whiten mode for stain removal, and polish mode for getting that sparkling finish. As always, I use a normal everyday cleaning mode for most of the time and it gets the job done for me. One thing which is missing is the memory function. Other expensive toothbrushes have this nice feature where it remembers the last mode you used when you use it the next time, which is not there on the Spark Z. For example, if I have used the deep clean mode in the morning and when I go to use the brush in the night, it does not start from the deep clean mode but rather starts from the first mode. Not a deal breaker, but had to point it out. And when it comes to its battery, I'm going to be very honest with you. I have not charged the toothbrush at all since the day I've got it and I've used it for almost 2 months now, which is crazy good. Caresmith claims 120 days of battery life on a single charge of 3 hours, so only time will tell how true that is. I'll definitely keep you all updated on that. Finally, we come to its cleaning performance and the Spark Z here does a good cleaning job. I mean, there's a lot which can be improved, but for that you can purchase Caresmith's more expensive toothbrush. The brush usually retails for ₹799 on Amazon and on their website, but I highly suggest you buy one during sales and limited time deals where you will easily find one for around ₹600, which in my opinion is a killer deal. The Spark Z, just like any other electric toothbrush, of course has some minor shortcomings, but at the price you get it for, you really can't complain much. It's got a killer battery, USB-C charging, a good motor with a nice design to go with it, and has extra 2 brush heads along with their individual caps. Look, the Indian market is buzzing with new electric toothbrushes by new companies every few weeks, but only a few are still standing tall, and by that I mean they're constantly coming out with new models with updated specifications and more importantly providing replacement brush heads for their brushes and not throwing their customers under the bus. And that is exactly where Caresmith excels. For me, as of September 2024, the Caresmith Spark Z is one of the best entry-level toothbrushes out there, if not the best. So if you want to buy your first electric toothbrush, or maybe you want to buy a secondary one as a backup, or maybe for your travel needs, you really won't be disappointed with this one. And if you still want to buy Caresmith's more expensive premium toothbrush, you can check out my review of the Caresmith Spark Infinity, which I did a few months back. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, happy brushing.